Add MWinFit. Select the Components tab in the Smart Configurator and import Graphic Library with Graphical User Interface. If Graphic Library with Graphical User Interface is not displayed in the list of components, click Download the latest fit drivers and middleware and download it. Configure the LCD connection interface. Please refer to the application notes for the configuration of evaluation boards supported by QE. If you use SCI, select REMWin RX from the Components and LCD IFSCI SPI in LCD interface. When selected, the required fit modules are added. Select RSCI RX from the Components and configure the serial connection. Select to use the SSPI mode. Set the send dummy data to 0x00. Set the channel and pins to be used. If you use RSPI, select REMWin RX from the Components and LCD IFRSPI in LCD interface. When selected, the required fit modules are added. Select RRSP RX from the Components and configure the serial connection. Set the send dummy data to 0x00. Set the channel and pins to be used. Click the Generate Code button to generate the code. Installing the GUI drawing tool driver in the workflow will be changed to the added state. Click the Info Setting button to open the Settings dialog and configure MWin and serial connection settings. If you use an evaluation board supported by QE, these settings are set automatically. Click the Generate File button to output a header file that reflects the settings. Click the Setting button to install the app wizard. Click the Start GUI Drawing Tool button to start the app wizard and create a GUI. After creating a GUI, export the source code. Click the Show Sample Code button to display a dialog box, copy the sample code to the clipboard, and embed it in the main function. Build the project. Open the Debugger tab of Debug Configurations and make the debugger settings. Click the Debug button to start the connection to the target. The created GUI will be displayed on the LCD.